In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the subtitle style in Prime Video. Whether you're aiming for a more visually pleasant subtitle experience or need to make subtitles easier to read, customizing them on Amazon Prime Video can make a big difference. Let's dive in and learn how to tailor subtitles to your liking. To start, open Amazon Prime Video on your web browser and make sure you're logged in to your account. Once there, hover over your profile icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click it, and you'll see an option for Account and Settings. Click on that, and then navigate to the Subtitles section. This section is your gateway to customizing how subtitles appear as you enjoy your favorite shows and movies. Within this area, you'll find options to edit what are called subtitle presets. To customize a subtitle preset, look for the Edit button next to an existing preset. By clicking this, you gain access to a range of options for altering how your subtitles will look. First, let's talk about font color. You'll see various color choices, enabling you to pick one that best contrasts with the scenes and the content you're watching. This can be particularly helpful for visibility if the visuals are dynamic and ever-changing. Next, we have the font size. Amazon Prime Video provides several size options, so select one that ensures the text is readable but not distracting or overwhelming. Then, consider the font style. You will see various font types or styles among the choices. Select the one that feels most comfortable to you, whether it's something formal or more casual. Another important aspect is the opacity of the subtitles, including both the text itself and its background. This controls how see-through the text or the space behind it is. Adjusting opacity can be helpful if you need to make the subtitles stand out without obscuring too much of what's happening on screen. Once you've made all your adjustments, be sure to save your changes. This ensures that your personalized settings are ready to be applied whenever you wish. Now, let's move on to applying this preset during playback. While you're watching content, click on the subtitles or captions icon. It looks like a little speech bubble. This will bring up a menu where you can select your subtitle language. Once you've picked your language, you'll see the customized preset style you created earlier. Choose it, and your newly customized subtitles should appear as you designed. And there you have it, a custom subtitle style that fits your preferences. By playing around with different fonts, sizes, colors, and opacities, you can make your Amazon Prime Video experience just a bit more tailored and enjoyable. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your personalized viewing.